Have you ever felt like life was finally on track and then one habit breaks and suddenly everything starts falling apart? That moment where you think, maybe I'm not that kind of person after all. I've been there, and this video is for that moment. When we lose momentum, we often lose more than just a habit. We lose part of our identity. You tell yourself, I knew I messed up. I always fall off. I'm not consequent. But here's what I've learned. Just because the habit broke doesn't mean you are broken. It's not the end, it's a pause, it's a reset. When I fall off track, I don't try to go to who I was. I ask myself, who do I want to be now? Then I do one small thing to prove it to myself. Not a big plan, just one action. Because rebuilding doesn't start with pressure, it starts with direction. So if you lost rhythm lately, don't be hard on yourself. Don't overthink it. Just start again. You're not starting from zero, you're starting from experience. And this moment right here, this is how identity is built in the quiet decision to begin again. In the next video, we will talk about why emotions helps habits stick more than logic and how to use it to stay consequent even on tough days. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye.